Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to change password on Facebook. Maybe you want to change your password on Facebook so that your Facebook will be secured. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can change password on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into your home page. And then in here, you'll see this icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Simply tap on it. Once you are in here, you need to scroll down. Once you see the settings and privacy, tap on this drop down button. And then in here, tap on settings. Once you are in your settings, you will see in here the meta and accounts center. And here, simply tap on the See More in Account Centers. Once you tap on it, you'll be directed into your Accounts Center. In here, to change your password, under the account setting, you'll see Password and Security. Simply tap on it. And then in here, you will see Password and Security and Login and Recovery. Manage your password, login preferences, and recovery method. And here, tap on the Change Password. In here, choose the account you want to change the password. And then in here, simply tap on your current password and then new password and then retype your new password. After that, simply tap on this change password to change your password on Facebook. There you go. If you wanted to know on how to change password on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how to change your password on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.